Ever feel like your money disappears faster than it comes in? You might be making one of these 5 silent money mistakes and not even realize it. Welcome to WealthWise with Mike, where we turn smart money moves into real results. Mistake number 1, not having a budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, you'll always wonder where it went. Start simple. Use the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or debt. Mistake number 2, living above your means. That buy now, pay later lifestyle, it catches up fast. Track your spending. Trim unnecessary subscriptions. Learn to say no to lifestyle creep. Mistake number 3, ignoring your debt. Out of sight isn't out of interest. List all debts. Pay off smallest first for momentum or highest interest first for savings. Mistake number 4, not investing. Saving is safe, but investing is what grows wealth. Start with what you understand. Index funds, ETFs, even beginner crypto strategies. Mistake number 5, no clear goals. If you're not aiming at anything, you're drifting. Set one clear goal, emergency fund, debt-free in 2 years, start there. Fixing these 5 mistakes could change your entire financial future. Which one are you guilty of? Subscribe to WealthWise with Mike, new videos every week.